Meet the cutest ocean acrobats, seals. Here are quick fun facts about seals that will make you smile. Stick around for a surprising seal fact at the end. Did you know seals can sleep underwater? They take tiny naps and pop up for air without waking. Long whiskers? They're like underwater sensors. Seals can track moving fish with just a wiggle. Seals are super swimmers, reaching speeds up to 22 miles per hour. And this funny pose? It's called the banana pose. They do it to stay comfy and cool. And seal pups? They can recognize their mom's voice in a crowd. Love seals? Hit like and subscribe for more fun animal facts.